Hi Ray, I've gone into the live site and I've used I was testing um, browser, like if I needed to refresh my browser for an asset to update. Um, so I just used a test image, just like a yellow image, and used replace media to replace this image. And while um, the code, so while it actually works, it's all good. So test the yellow.jpg is what I used in replace media. The file is not uploading to its location. So in this case, uploads 2016 tester yellow. It's not. So a quick search for tester in that folder, and there's nothing there. The image is not. Replace media is not working as expected. So tester yellow. There's no image here. If I go back and replace the media back, the image will go back because it's already on the server. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me show you. So it's not coming up in the latest image either. So tester, there it is. And if I upload a new file and go back to, I need the image, 1 second. But just quickly on the live site in FTP, the 1360 by 720 image is, it's not there for Razorback Bunyoro Valley Lookout, but on the staging site where I haven't done any replace media, there it is there. So, I mean, you would know this, that the replace media application actually deletes the image that it replaces. But yeah, so coming back to the live site, I've loaded, there's the image on my desktop, and if I upload it, we should see that it populates back in. No, not this time. So I did this before where I put the image back. Oh, hang on. Purchase SiteGround cache. And perhaps the image will come back up. Yep, so there we go. So I don't know if it's remembering that from earlier on, but so it works when I put the old image back, but a new test image or a new image doesn't seem to work with the replace media. So yeah, over to you, Ray. See what you think. Thanks. Cheers.